Hi guys, this is Peace Adeze. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be cooking beans, also known as black-eyed beans and plantain. This beans and plantain recipe is different from other beans and plantain recipes. You will get to know why this recipe is different from others. So stay tuned and watch how I cook it. For the ingredients, you need beans, also known as black-eyed beans, plantain, vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Salt, seasoning cubes, onion, crayfish, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, ginger, and garlic. So let's get started. The first thing I do is to prep the beans. You do this in order to avoid or reduce bloating after eating the beans. You can soak the beans overnight or for some hours. You can also do it this way. In this video, I did not soak the beans. Yeah, I did not soak the beans today. Sometimes I soak it, sometimes I don't. Wash the beans, put in a pot and add water. Bring it to boil for about 15 minutes. Just the way you parboil your rice, but this takes longer time. After about 15 minutes, drain. Guys, look at how dirty the first water is. Just take note. You will notice the difference between this first water and the next one. Rinse the beans. After rinsing the beans, put in a pot and bring to boil for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain and rinse. Look at the water, guys. Have you seen the difference? The difference is clear. It's not as dirty as the first water. I repeated this process 3 times. I mean the process of draining and rinsing the beans. I won't be showing you guys the third one so that this video will not be too long. Here is the beans after rinsing. Put in a pot, add water and start cooking. While the beans is cooking, prep the other ingredients. Wash the tomatoes, pepper, ginger and garlic. Put them in the blender and blend. Chop the onion. This is the blended tomatoes, pepper, ginger and garlic, chopped onion and crayfish. Add the onion, add seasoning cubes, add salt to taste. While the beans is cooking, wash and cut the plantain. This is the plantain after cutting. I like cutting it this way. You can cut it to your desired size and shape. When the water in the beans has reduced to this level, add the plantain, add crayfish, blended tomatoes, pepper, garlic and ginger mixture, add the vegetable oil. Make sure you add enough and cover the pot. Stir with your wooden spatula. Check if you need to add seasoning cube or salt. At this point, mine is okay. Cover and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And it's done and ready to be served. I'm dishing it out now. If you are the type that like your beans dry, then leave it to dry up, but make sure it's on low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. This is exactly how I like mine. I don't like it when the water dries up. Here is my yummy, tasty, delicious beans and plantain. So this is it for this recipe. I have other beans recipes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to ask me questions if you have any. I will see you again in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.